doing the sneeze prank on my friend.
Huh?
Huh?
You fucking. Wallah, you just come out. You know it's sweating on me. Fucking 50 bucks. Wallah, you must cover up in this movie. I think it's video of me. Don't be that dumb.
It's a prank.